and they're off. And the lead is taken by Leave My Mark by the rail, and on the outside is Daman Zuria. It's Leave My Mark leading the field, followed by Daman Zuria on the outside, and by the rail is Humble Pie. It is still Leave My Mark in the lead by a length and a half, followed now by Wise Ways on the outside, Daman Zuria, Mr. Universe, and Humble Pie by the rail, and Blue Phoenix. Ating is trailing the group. And rounding the far turn, it's still Leave My Mark in the lead, followed by Wise Ways. And moving up is Daman Zuria, Blue Phoenix, by the rail is Humble Pie. And rounding the far turn, still Leave My Mark by half a length, followed by Wise Ways on the outside. Humble Pie moving up in between horses, Blue Phoenix. And at the last bend for home, moving up on the outside is Wise Ways. Is Wise Ways in the lead. And at the top of the stretch, Wise Ways on the outside, Leave My Mark, Mr. Universe, and Humble Pie. Into the home stretch and nearing the pale line, still Wise Ways in the lead, followed by Leave My Mark, Humble Pie, and moving up on the outside is Mr. Universe, and finally at the pale line, it's Wise Ways, Leave My Mark, Humble Pie, Mr. Universe, entry number 6, Daman Zuria, Blue Phoenix, and Ating.
Okay, 54126.